All right, good morning, everyone. We're on day 2 here. We're about to start cooking breakfast. We dehydrated some eggs before we left on the trip. So we're going to take you through the process of rehydrating and cooking breakfast. We also have some dehydrated peppers here for you. Then we got some cheese to go with it, and we're also going to have some bagels. So we'll rehydrate this stuff. It should take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get it all rehydrated, and then we can start cooking it. So let's start with the eggs. Okay guys, so we have our peppers. We're going to rehydrate these first. We're just going to add a little bit of water in there just to give them a little bit of life back to them. If you want to see a review about our water filter here, you can just click the link above there. So let's just add a little bit of water, and we just let them sit for about 5 minutes or so. Just clip that, and just see a little bit more. That's probably good there. So we'll just let those sit in the water. And hopefully in about 5 minutes or so, we'll have some peppers back that we can put into our eggs. All right, now we have our eggs that we got to do the same thing to. So we'll just put a little bit of water in there. They say a tablespoon and a half or a tablespoon and a quarter for every egg. So there's about 6 eggs in here. Really, I just judge. It's not too difficult. Just start with that there. We'll give that a good mixing, and we'll see what it looks like. And if we have to add a bit more water, we can. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, I can tell that it's a little thick there still. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. I want to try to get the nozzle out of the eggs. All right. So we'll just let that sit for about 5 minutes or so, and we'll see how much gets absorbed, and we'll just determine if we need to add a little bit more water into there from there. And then once that's all good to go and the peppers are rehydrated, we will start cooking them. We're going to get some bagels over the fire. So we got some nice toasted bagels, and yeah, away we go.
All right, so as part of our breakfast, we're going to do some bagels. So I think the plan is to do toasted bagels and some eggs and peppers, and then put some cheese on and make like a nice breakfast sandwich. So I like to have my bagels toasted, so I figure we're going to see how this works. So we kind of put 2 sticks here, and we're just going to put the bagels right on top, just kind of like that. So probably let those go, and then kind of do the next batch in a little bit. And yeah, hopefully they'll be nice and tasty.
All right, so we got our peppers. They're all nicely rehydrated, as you can see. They've come back to life, so that's good. And we got our eggs here. They're all ready to go, nicely all mixed up. We're just going to throw it all into a pot with a little bit of butter and cook them up. So we got our stove all set up. It's all turned on. This is the MSR Whisper Light stove, in case anyone's wondering. We're just going to put the pot on there. We're going to let it heat up for a few seconds. Won't take long. Hot. That is hot. Hot, hot. Okay. So let's put a bit of butter into this. I like lots of butter in my eggs. Ooh, yeah. Whew. All right. That was very quick. Whew. Pour the eggs in there. Okay, once we got all the eggs in there, start cooking them. When I'm cooking eggs, I like to put them on the heat, remove them from the heat. Just keep going back and forth. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we're going to add the peppers in. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Do these look good? In another minute or so and they'll be all ready. Okay, I think we'll just turn the stove off. We'll let that sit while everything else is cooked, and they'll still continue to cook a little bit. I think that's perfect. Yum. So guys, here's the finished product. We got our bagel, we got some cheese, we got some eggs, peppers. We're gonna put a little bit of pepper on there. Sprinkle it on. Put a little bit of salt on there. That's good. Throw this guy on there. Cut her in half. We got ourselves a little egg sandwich there, ready to eat. If you enjoyed the video, guys, give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one.